Using a blank number line, counting on. A subtraction is the same as finding the difference. 76 subtract 52, or 76 take 52, is exactly the same as what is the difference between 52 and 76. We can therefore use counting on, so like our adding on methods, to help us to find the difference. Let's do an example together. So the first thing I'm going to do is I've got 82 take away 47. Remember, this is the same as saying what is the difference between 82 and 47. Exactly the same. So if I'm finding the difference, I'm going to start and put my smallest number at one end and my biggest number at the other end. Now I've got to work out, how do I get from 47 to 82? I'm going to break this down into steps. If I've got 47, the best thing to do is round it to the next 10. So I'm moving up to 50. How do I get from 47 to 50? I add 3. Now, because it's already 50, the next number that's easy to get up to by looking at my tens is from 50 to 80. And I'm adding on 30. I'm still not quite at 82. I need to add on another 2 units. So now, if I look, I added on 3, added on another 30, and added on another 2. You can use column addition if you want to work out what 3 add 30 add 2 is. Or, in your head, you can just do 30 add 3 is 33, add another 2 is 35. So the difference between 47 and 82 is 35. So therefore, 82 take away 47 is 35. Let's have a look at another example together. 57 take away 23. The same as, what is the difference between 56 and 23? We always put the smallest number first. 23, we're getting up to 56. What I'm going to do first then, I'm going to go from 23, well, what's the next number in our tens column? It's 30. To get from 23 to 30, I add on 7. I'm then looking at my tens column. 30 to 50. I'm adding on 20. Finally, 50 to 56. I'm adding on 6. Let's have a look what we added on all together. 7 and 20 and 6. Remember, we could use column addition to help us with this. If not, 20 add 7 is 27. Add another 6 is 33. There are 2 questions on the board. Try this method to answer those questions. Press pause now. Let's do these together. Remember, 55 take 28's the same as what is the difference between 55 and 28? Smallest number first, biggest number at the end. Always round to my next 10. 20 comes after 20 is 30. I'm adding on 2. Then we'll look at my tens. How do I get from 30 to 50? I add on 20. 50 to 55. I add on 5. Then have a look at 2, 20 and 5. Add those all together and I get my answer of 27. Let's have a look at the one on the bottom. 48 take away 37. What is the difference between 48 and 37? 37 down here, 48 up here. If I'm at 37, so I'm at my 30s, the next 10 is my 40s. So to get from 37 to 40, I add on 3. Now, I'm getting from 40 to 48. There's no more 10s, there's just units, and there's 8 of them. So I have a look. I'm now adding 8 and 3. So 8 add 3 is 11. Well done.